Hello dear friends. Let's get started with today's workout. Today, I'm going to show you the no jumping belly fat workout. These exercises are gentle on your knees and can be done easily at home. For this workout, all you need is a flat surface and your own body. Make sure to perform each exercise slowly and with control. Warm up 3 minutes. March in place with your arms for 60 seconds. Control your breathing. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Side bends for 30 seconds. Feel your oblique muscles activating. Forward and backward bends for 30 seconds. Relax your lower back. Torso twists for 60 seconds. Feel your core muscles working. If your body starts to warm up, that means you're ready. First exercise. Lying press 3 to 15 reps. Lie flat on your back. Place your hands behind your head and interlock your fingers. Keep your legs straight and flat on the ground. Slowly lift your upper body with control, pulling your core inward. While lifting, exhale. While lowering, inhale. For beginners, to prevent your legs from lifting, someone can hold your feet down or use a cushion to stabilize them. Repetitions. Start with 3 reps and gradually increase up to 10 to 15 reps. Best time to do it. Performing this exercise in the morning boosts your metabolism and helps burn fat faster. You can also do it in the evening, but at least 1 to 2 hours before sleeping. Benefits. Works both upper and lower abdominal muscles at the same time. Strengthens your back and core muscles. Reduces belly fat. Breathing control. Improves metabolism and increases effectiveness. Second exercise. Reverse crunch 3 to 15 reps. Lie flat on your back. Bend your knees at 90 degrees and lift your legs slightly off the ground. Pull your core inward to engage your abdominal muscles. Slowly bring your knees toward your chest, lifting your lower back slightly off the floor. Then slowly lower your legs and lower back, keeping your feet off the ground. Immediately lift your legs again and repeat the movement. Control your breathing. Exhale when lifting, inhale when lowering. For beginners, to prevent your legs from lifting too much, someone can hold your feet down or use a cushion for support. Repetitions. Start with 3 to 5 reps and gradually increase to 10 to 15 reps. Best time to do it. Morning. Boosts metabolism and helps burn fat faster. Evening. You can also do it in the evening, but at least 1 to 2 hours before sleeping. Benefits. Maximally engages lower abdominal muscles. Strengthens core and supports the lower back. Reduces belly fat. No jumping, knee-friendly, and safe for your back. Dead bug 10 to 12 reps. Lie flat on your back. Lift your arms and legs slightly off the floor. Pull your core inward to engage your abdominal muscles. Slowly lower your opposite arm and leg toward the floor without letting your lower back lift. Return to the starting position and repeat with the other arm and leg. Control your movement and breathing. Exhale when extending and inhale when returning. For beginners, keep your movements slow and controlled to prevent straining your lower back. Repetitions. Start with 10 reps per side and gradually increase to 12 reps per side. Best time to do it. Morning to boost metabolism and core activation. Or evening at least 1 to 2 hours before sleeping. Benefits. Strengthens the core, including transverse abdominis and deep abdominal muscles. Improves spinal stability and posture. Reduces risk of lower back injury by teaching controlled movement. Works abdominal muscles without jumping, protecting knees and joints. enhances coordination between arms and legs, improving overall core function. Remember, consistency is the key. Perform these exercises every day or at least 5 times a week. Combine them with proper nutrition and hydration to see real results. Follow this channel for more workouts, tips, and motivation to keep pushing toward your fitness goals. Believe in yourself and stay committed. Your results will come if you stay consistent and perform the exercises correctly. You can do this. Your core will get stronger, and your belly fat will reduce with time. Keep going, stay focused, and enjoy the process.